Hey, welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing the key lime pie. Stick with me.
Alright, here we go. We're going to go with our condensed milk. And I got 2 cans. Try to get all the can out of there. Get this other one in. 1 cup of lime juice. Whisk that together. Smelling all citrusy in here. It's coming together pretty good. Get our egg yolks, and I got 5 of those. Sweet sides of this. Don't want to miss out on anything. Looks good. So I'll set in the sink. Mix that up real good. Add in our lime zest. Mix that in real good. Looking real nice there. Nice coloring. Smelling awesome. Alright. Let's add this to our pie crust. Alright. Pie crust. It's looking yummy. Now we have preheated our oven for 375 degrees. We're gonna put this in for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna let it sit for a couple hours. Alright, end results. It is looking beautiful. It is set. We're getting ready to cut into it. Top it off with a little whipped cream. I'll show you that. But before I do, thank you for watching. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and subscribe if you haven't. Tell a friend about me, and I'll see you on the next one.